Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you Til Patti with flaxseed. Til with Alsi. I have a white til, 3/4 cup and 1/4 cup flaxseed Alsi. 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon sliced coconut, 1/4 cup water. Rose water is strictly optional. And let's start making our delicious Til Patti. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas and we're going to keep gas on medium. We're going to roast the til and flaxseed. Keep them moving and we're going to roast them like 3 to 4 minutes. It's very important, keep them moving. If they get burned, then they won't taste well. Roasting sesame seed and flaxseed for 5 minutes and they are nicely roasted and they start changing color. This is all we need. And now I'm going to take these out in a plate. I'm going to use the same fry pan. Bring sugar and water. Mix it. On medium gas, we're going to cook our sugar. Cooking our sugar on medium gas for 3 minutes. The sugar is ready and now I'm going to bring the gas on medium low, which is number 2. And I'll bring the sesame and flaxseed, Alsi and til. I'll bring the coconut. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to turn off the gas. Now we're going to make our Til Patti. I'm going to use a parchment paper. I'll place it. Put the parchment paper on top. I'll get the rolling pin and we're going to roll out as thin as possible. Til Patti is cooling down and I have another parchment paper ready. We're going to wait before it cools down. I'll let it sit on the countertop for like a half an hour. And now if we open it, thin like a popper, flip it over, then we're going to open it from this end as well. You see, it starts to break. And if we look at now, this side is broken, really thin. Poppered. And if I show it to you, still poppered. Look at this. Very crispy and very thin slices. It's very healthy snack. Til flax combination. Please try it and you're going to like it. So if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.